Connect to SkyHub over Wi-Fi. Enable DJI Autopilot. Save and then confirm system reload. After the system is reloaded, connection with the autopilot is established. Press on Start. Only the default widgets are present. True terrain following, grasshopper, universal, and obstacle avoidance. To enable altimeter, go to the payload section. Enable the altimeter, then save and confirm system reload. Once system is reloaded, go to Start and add the altimeter widget. If data from altimeter is not displayed, it might be necessary to reload the system again. Go to Tools, Manage SkyHub, and then press Reload. Return to the main screen. Return to the main screen. Altimeter readings are present after the reload. The altimeter maximum and minimum altitude can be configured from settings, and these settings can be applied during flight. Just modify the values and then press Apply. Custom altimeter settings can be edited in the sensor settings. These changes can be done only when the drone is on the ground, as the changes require a SkyHub system reload.